Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a username for your Phantom wallet so you can easily send and receive Sol without long wallet addresses. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open your Phantom wallet extension or mobile app and make sure you're logged in. Step 2. Click the gear icon in the bottom right corner to open your settings. Step 3. Under the settings menu, tap on username or create a username, depending on your version. Step 4. Now, type the username you want. It must be unique and may include letters, numbers, and some symbols. Step 5. You now have a Phantom Wallet username. People can now send you SOL and tokens using just your username instead of the long wallet address. Bonus tip. You can only register one username per wallet address, so choose carefully. If you don't see the option, make sure your app is up to date. And that's how to set up your Phantom Wallet username. If this video helped, like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick crypto guides. See you next time!